Hey everybody, Tim here from Workshop 12, and in this video we're going to take a look at the Mark II kit for the Nissan 350Z. Now this is the same design as we've been doing for all of our Mark II kits, but now we've been able to go and get the faceplate on this plastic injection molded and pre-painted silver to match the rest of the trim inside of your vehicle. So let's go take a look at the plastics. Okay, let's jump in and take a look at the kit. So one of the things that we were getting feedback from the community was, number one, Shapeways does take a long time to print. It can take about 3 to 4 weeks just turnaround time from to finish the print and then ship back some of the plastics to us so that we can assemble and get everything ready. Glue in magnets, test everything, and send it out to you. So we wanted to be able to reduce the amount of time it takes to actually manufacture and ship to you guys. The other thing is that those were raw plastics where we need to sand and paint. So you guys had to actually sand everything down. It's nylon, which was a great material. However, it takes a lot of sanding to be able to paint. So with the volumes of orders that we've been getting for the Nissan 350Z, we've been able to go out and get some plastic injection molds created. So the Mark II kit is the exact same as what we've been launching with. The main difference now is that this front piece that's on here is plastic injection molded, and it's got a silver paint on it that we tried to paint match as much as possible to the silver trim inside of your vehicle. So whether that's on your steering wheel, around your gauge cups, around your door handles, we tried to match that as much as possible. And if you want to do it a different color, at least it's nice and smooth, so it's super simple to be able to paint in a different color or wrap it. We've seen other people carbon fiber wrap these as well. So the front piece is a nice plastic injection molded piece of plastic. The back cradle pieces we 3D print in-house with a material called PETG so that it is very heat resistant for being able to be embedded inside of your dashboard. We've got a nice little design in here so that if you take your tablet out of the vehicle and you have this all stuck in, you still have a nice little design that's at the back of the unit itself. So those are our Mark II plastic kit for the 350Z. We hope you like it and look forward to hearing your feedback on the kit.